A belt sander is a powerful and versatile tool designed for sanding and smoothing various surfaces with efficiency and precision. It consists of a continuous loop of sandpaper or abrasive belt that rotates around two cylindrical drums. The machine is equipped with a motor that drives the belt, providing a rapid and consistent sanding motion. In this video, we will show you guys the 7 best belt sanders you could buy now. You can easily decide which is best for you. So, without wasting any more time, let's jump to the video. Number 7, WEN 6321. The WEN 6321 EBR's jagged splinters, strips paint and finishes edges with ease. The high-power 7-amp motor spins the belt at a rate of 820 feet per minute for fast and easy material removal. The front roller extends past the top edge of the housing, allowing the belt to reach and sand even the tightest of corners. The sander weighs in at a mere 6 pounds, limiting the fatigue of the user during operation due to its light yet powerful design. The lock-in safety feature allows for continuous sanding without requiring a constant grip on the trigger switch. Includes a belt release lever for easy sandpaper changes, a dust bag for minimal cleanup, and an adjustment knob to correctly align the belt if needed. And because this is a WEN product, your WEN 3. Number 6, Skil 751001. The Skil 751001 is a good choice for larger projects like sanding down a dresser, working on cabinetry, or refinishing a wooden table. It has a 3-inch by 18-inch 80 grit sanding belt that can operate at up to 1050 fpm. While this is a relatively low belt speed, the 6-amp motor drives the belt with enough power to make it highly effective at sanding thick layers of wood, metal, and even plastic. Users can take advantage of the built-in microfiltration dust collection system to suck up dust and debris while working to keep the area clear and unobscured by sawdust. The trigger lock switch allows the belt sander to remain at top speed without the user needing to grip the trigger. This device also has an auto tracking system to keep the belt centered on the sander and to prevent the sanding belt from. Number 5, Makita 9403. The Makita 9403 is powerful enough to be described as a beast, though it keeps its roar down, boasting the title of quietest belt sander in its class, with noise levels limited to 84 decibels. It's designed to keep dust and debris out of the motor, thus extending the life of the tool, a big plus if you expect to use it often. The external dust bag swivels all the way around, so you can easily keep it out of your way while you work. Equipped with a 4x 24-inch belt that zips by at a speed of 1,640 feet per minute, the 9403 is a master of wood removal, easily stripping layers of wood from a variety of surfaces, including refinishing hardwood floors, tabletops, and more. And when working in tight quarters or sanding into corners, you'll appreciate its slightly snub-nosed design that lets you sand right up to the edge of the wall or corner. Plus, it has a large front grip that makes it easy to control the tool while you work and helps to reduce fatigue to your hand and arm. Number 4, Metabo HPT SB8V2. The Metabo HPT SB8V2 are great for smaller projects or to work on isolated pieces of a bigger project, but a handheld belt sander, like this Metabo model, is necessary to sand a larger object that cannot reasonably be lifted into position for use with a benchtop sander. The handheld belt sander has a powerful 9-amp motor and a variable speed switch that allows the user to adjust the speed of the sanding belt from 820 to 1475 fpm. To improve control and visibility, the belt sander has a transparent tracking window, which is especially useful when sanding in a tight space, up against a wall, or in a corner where visibility is limited. The sander collects dust in a left-side mounted dust collection bag to help keep the workspace clean and unobscured. However, despite these outstanding highlights, the belt sander is a corded device, which means that the range and portability are limited by the power cord. Number 3, Astro Pneumatic 3037. The Astro Pneumatic 3037 takes the cake when it comes to delivering handheld performance at a reasonable price. Note that unlike the majority of belt sanders, however, this tool is an air-powered pneumatic device, requiring an air compressor that delivers at least 4 cubic feet per minute of air at 90 psi. Perfect for sanding down hard-to-reach spot welds or finishing exhaust pipes, the Astro 3037 offers unparalleled control, an easy-to-adjust lever, so you get the right angle every time, a 1/2-inch belt groove, and variable speed control with RPM reaching 16,000 for optimum grinding. While it's perfect for working on your favorite vehicles, the Astro 3037 is an exceptional addition to every amateur's and professional's toolshed. You can use it for all sorts of sanding work, from wrought iron railings to tackling fiberglass repair jobs. Number 2. BLACK+DECKER DS321. The BLACK+DECKER DS321 add the finishing details to your project, smooth rough surfaces, refine edges, and more with BLACK+DECKER's Dragster 7.0 amp electric belt sander. The 7.0 amp motor delivers plenty of power to get the job done, and thanks to the belt sander's corded design, you'll have unlimited runtime for longer tasks. This electric sander is angled for precision sanding of adjoining surfaces, while the flush low-profile design expands functionality even on vertical surfaces. Plus, the retractable hood exposes the top of the sanding belt for added functionality in tight spaces. An adjustable 3-position handle keeps you comfortable, while an easy-to-empty dust bag catches particles and keeps your work surface cleaner. And an adjustable handle means you can approach every job from any angle you prefer, providing a ton of extra control. Number 1. WEN 6307. The WEN 6307 pivots 55 degrees to meet the particular needs of the project at hand. The auto-tracking design allows for automatic alignment of the sanding belts without the need for any adjustments. Easily switch between grits with the tool-free belt changing system, or adjust the variable speed dial for speeds anywhere from 1080 to 1800 feet per minute. This handheld 2-amp belt sander weighs in at a mere 2.5 pounds with a compact body for squeezing into tight spaces and awkward angles. Minimize cleanup by hooking the sander up to a dust collection system of your choice, using the included dust port attachment. Sure, you could use a traditional belt sander for detail sanding, but they're typically pretty bulky and cumbersome, whereas the WEN 6307 variable speed detailing file sander is specially designed to take on smaller projects or jobs that only require sanding specific sections of a larger surface. Make sure to check the description box for all the links regarding the mentioned. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We will be back with more videos soon.